Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of unreposting a video on TikTok. Whether you accidentally reposted or just want to delete a shared video, let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Step 2. Find the video you reposted. You can find it in the Profile tab in the bottom right corner or use TikTok's search function. Step 3. Delete reposts of your TikTok videos. Tap the video to play it. To the right of the video, tap the right arrow icon. In the Share With menu that opens, select the yellow Remove Repost. TikTok will immediately unrepost the video you selected, and there you have it. Your reposted video has now been removed from your profile. Good luck, thanks for watching the video.